Hiccups driving you crazy? You're not alone. Here's the scoop. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms, causing a quick intake of air. The air hits your vocal cords, creating that familiar hic sound. Common triggers? Eating too fast, gulping fizzy drinks, and stress. Usually they vanish on their own, but if hiccups hang around for over 48 hours, it might be time to see a doc. Need a quick fix? Try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Closing, got a hiccup hack? Share your tips in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science.